Hey, it's Alfie and this is Brew Better. Today we'll be brewing a coffee from the Philippines. This is Finca de Garces sweet coffee. For today's brew, I'll be using my trusty AeroPress to highlight the inherent sweetness of the coffee, but also to balance out its flavor and body. 15 grams of coffee using 16 clicks in my Timor C2 hand grinder. I'll be using 92 degrees Celsius of water with a hardness of 50 ppm. Let's begin. For my first pour, I'll be doing 100 ml of water. We'll be stirring this for around 12 times and we'll wait for about 30 seconds for the bloom phase. This coffee is from Pangantukan, Bukidnon. It is grown 15 to 1600 meters above sea level. For my second pour, I'll be doing another 100 ml for a total of 200 ml. This time, we will steep for 2 minutes. This coffee is naturally processed, also known as the sun-drying process. It is an Ethiopian heirloom landrace coffee varietal. Locals refer to this as a forest coffee since it grows in the wild. 2 minutes is done and now we're ready to plunge. Remember, when you press, it should be slow and steady and you wait until the hissing sound. I enjoy this cup by adding another 25 ml of water. The total water should be 225. And now it's done, it's time to enjoy a good cup. This coffee has a citrus aroma. Red apples are very prominent, and it leaves a very creamy, caramel-like mouthfeel. Always remember that the best coffee is the one that you enjoy. Let us know how you brew this coffee. Cheers and don't stop brewing.